Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Austin, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Galaxy Watch. As you can see, I've got the 42mm rose gold edition because it's my favorite color. Not really, it's my wife's. I personally have the Fitbit Ionic, and very soon I'm going to be doing a review on this one as well, but today we're going to focus on the Galaxy Watch. But before I go on, let me just say that this is my first YouTube video, and I'm going to be doing a lot of product reviews on a lot of different electronics, devices, smartwatches, smartphones, whatever it is. If you have any requests, go ahead and post in the comments below, and I'll get to it. Go ahead and like and subscribe while you're at it as well. Everything helps. And I will be posting an affiliate link for this watch itself in the description below. Okay? The 42mm was $329.99, and then they also have the 46mm, slightly bigger, longer battery life. Not very many differences, but it is a little bit different. The reason I got my wife this one is because she's very petite, and so with small wrists, smartwatches have always been too big, too bulky for her. And I think that a lot of people did have this problem as well. I really do. Because now that Samsung came out with the 42mm, it just looks smaller, it looks more convenient. I think that it looks better as well, having the smaller screen on it, as you can see. But it does fit her, and so when her birthday came around, I saw it, and I thought to myself, perfect, a smartwatch that finally fits her style. So, let's get right into it. Battery life, I would say, is about 2.5 days. My wife charges it every other day or so, and she's got no problem with the battery life. She charges it while she sleeps. It does have sleep tracking on it, so you can use that feature. She doesn't care too much about it. My Fitbit has it. I use it. I don't care too much about it, but the option's there, of course, right? It does have a heart rate monitor on it, as you can see, right there. Heart rate monitor. It doesn't track constantly. And that's one thing that's, compared to other devices, not necessarily the Apple devices, but the Fitbits do track constantly throughout the day. So if that is something that's important for you, you might want to look at other options. But if you're just looking for a watch that will, you can respond to text throughout the day, make phone calls, keep you busy, more convenient, something on your wrist that you can use for everything, this is definitely the watch for you. I've never found anything wrong with it that convenience-wise, it's just incredible. Let me show you a few of the features of it right now, okay? As you can see, it has the bezel going around the edge of it, and you can go through all of your different options, as well as the ability to swipe through all the different options. Full calendar on there. It does have a speaker built in. You can play music on it. Pretty good quality. Stress level monitor. Now, basically what it does is it activates your heart rate monitor. Gives you a rough estimate of what your stress level is at the moment. It has a full T9 keyboard for typing, and then as well as voice control. You can talk to it, and it'll do things for you. Aside from that, it's a very good, very convenient watch. You can make all of your phone calls through it. My wife will call me all throughout the day on her watch. She never uses her phone. You can download pictures on it. One of the coolest features that I thought, of course, is that it has Google and YouTube apps for it. So you can actually go on Google and Google something from your watch throughout the day. You can go on YouTube and watch YouTube videos as well as listen to them throughout the day. It does have full Bluetooth connectivity to any Bluetooth devices that you have. Very comfortable watch, she'll wear it all day long, and I've worn it for hours at a time as well. Just testing it, just testing the product myself, and I'd like to say it's very comfortable, It doesn't leave any rashes, doesn't smell bad or anything like that, and then it's a very convenient device to have. Now, I personally don't have any experience with the Apple Watches, but I do know that the Apple Watches are iOS-only devices, so if you have an Android, this is really your only option. But if you do have an iPhone as well, this device is connectable with Android and iOS. So don't think that you're stuck with an Apple Watch if you have an iPhone. You have complete freedom to go and get yourself a Galaxy Watch and use that with your iPhone. Aside from that, I mean, tons of features. Very beautiful watch, and click the link below if you want to get full specifications for it. If you want to know more about it, you can go ahead and feel free to ask me any questions about the device in the comments below, and I'll answer them right away. And yeah, I mean, just go ahead and like, subscribe, send me any messages that you want to ask me, and have a great day. Thank you. Goodbye.